Hello viewers. So I have my Node-RED set up on a Raspberry Pi. As it runs 24/7, chances are it might get heated up and damage the CPU. Idea is to monitor the temperature of Raspberry Pi CPU to take necessary actions if it gets hot. Let's start. Drag and inject node, open in edit window by double clicking. Keep the top part of it as it is, but you may want to give it a name. At the bottom of the edit window, set repeat option to interval and then 1 minute. You can play around with numbers later also. Click done. Next we would need exec node from function group. Drag it to the middle, open, enter this command line into first text box, uncheck message.payload checkbox. In the output, select this option and enter a name for the node. It's not mandatory though. Let's check if things are going well or not by adding a debug node. Deploy. Trigger the inject node. Exec node will run the command on Raspberry Pi and get CPU temperature value in return. Message we get from exec node contains these extra values. We need to remove those and just to keep a numerical value. Add a change node from the function group. We need to add two rules here. Select change from first dropdown. Keep message.payload as it is. Search for temp equals and replace with blank. So you don't have to put anything there. Similarly, in second rule, we will replace C with blank. Let's check if it works. As you can see, we are getting a numerical value of temperature. Now we will show that on a UI. For that, you will need to install this node. Go to menu and then manage palette. In install tab, search for Node-RED dashboard. Select and install the node. Once done, go back to our flow. From dashboard group, select gaze. In edit window, you need to select a group for the gaze to show up. You can add a new UI group by selecting last option and clicking on edit button. Give the group a name and select the tab on which this group will be shown. Click add. Select the newly added group, add a label for gaze. Range we would need 0 to 100. Well, I do not expect CPU temperature to go beyond 100 degrees Celsius. Keep other fields as it is. Hit done. Deploy the flow. To view the UI screen, enter your Node-RED IP :port followed by /UI. Select the appropriate tab and here is the gaze. Now let me inject and now we have our value shown up in the gaze. You can define the color shown as per the temperature values. Go back to gaze node under color gradient in sectors. I want temperature below 40 degree to be shown as green, 40 to 45 yellow and above 45 as red. Hit done and deploy. Now as I inject again, as you can see temperature is above 40 and color has changed to yellow. We are done here. Let me know if you have any questions in comment section. Thank you.